Hey, good evening. Richard Trabue with Concha Financial, and wanted to share a strategy for any parent out there that has a child and want to help set them up successfully for their retirement, even at an early age. And I know thinking about a child in retirement, it seems like a long time away, but you can never get started too early. And an opportunity to essentially make your baby a millionaire when they retire is a very simple strategy that does not require a lot of money or a lot of time and effort on your part. What we can simply do is create a cash value life insurance plan that's properly structured, where you can literally put $50 to $100 a month for the next 60 years of their life, or if you've got a shorter amount of duration, does not matter. But start doing that consecutively, and your child will be a millionaire when they look to retire at 60 years old and have the benefit of having tax-free money available to take as a complete withdrawal, do whatever they want to with, or start an income stream at that point too, all the while they're growing up in their adult years, have access to some of that cash value as well. If they need to buy a new vehicle, make a down payment on a house, anything of that nature. I know that may sound too good to be true, but trust me, it's real, and I'll help you properly structure it for your children as well. Give me a call. Our office looks forward to helping you. It's Richard Trabue, Concha Financial. My direct number is 678-532-6877. And we look forward to speaking with you soon.